Good morning from the vibrant city of Taipei, Taiwan. In this video, I will share how to navigate Taiwan Railways Corporation (TRC) train system, covering ticket purchases and tips for a smooth journey. Do note that this guide is for Taiwan's regular train system. It is not to be confused with the high-speed rail (HSR), which only runs along the west coast. The simplest way to hop on a train in Taiwan is with an EasyCard. Just swipe it at the gate when entering and exiting the station. You cannot use EasyCard on the Taroko Express, Puyuma Express, or Tze-Chiang 3000 trains. You'll need to buy a ticket for these express trains. If you prefer paying cash or using a card, ticket machines at train stations allow you to buy tickets on the spot. These machines support English and accept cash, credit card, or EasyCard. For express trains, it's risky to buy a reserved ticket at the last minute. They sell out fast. If you're traveling on a weekend or holiday, book ahead. For express trains like Puyuma, Taroko, or Tze-Chiang 3000, use the TRA website. It's more user-friendly than the app and allows bookings 1 month in advance. Once booked online, you can retrieve your physical ticket at the station ticket windows. Show your booking code and passport. I prefer to collect my tickets at the ticket machines. Just scan the QR code. Pick up your ticket anytime before departure. At the gate, insert your ticket into the slot. It will pop out from another slot, so take it. You'll need it again at your destination. For my trip around eastern Taiwan, I mostly rode the Puyuma and the Tze-Chiang 3000 trains. At Taipei main station, the platforms are underground. After passing the ticket gates, take the escalator down. Taiwan's TRC express trains are modern and clean, with comfortable seating. There are ample luggage racks for large bags, overhead compartments for smaller ones. The restrooms, including accessible toilets, are clean and spacious. There are no dining cars, but you can pre-order a Taiwanese railway bento or buy one at the station before boarding. Taiwan's railway bentos, biandang, date back to Japanese colonial times and have evolved into hearty, uniquely Taiwanese meals. Expect generous portions with ingredients like meat and vegetables, all on a bed of fluffy white rice. At 80 new Taiwan dollars, these bentos are a steal. The best part? It was delivered hot and fresh to my seat by friendly train staff. In summary, traveling Taiwan by train is an efficient, scenic, and enjoyable experience for happy travels.